Well, I think Manufacturing Day is huge for career exploration. I think myself growing up, I didn't know anything about manufacturing or what opportunities there were. It wasn't until I applied to my first job thinking it was going to be helping with car design, and I was just detailing little tiny parts. But once you get in the environment, you can see all the different opportunities within there. But I didn't know it until I stepped foot in the shop. So to me, Manufacturing Day is a huge opportunity for kids to be able to see what it's like inside of a shop. Partnering with Manufacturing Day has helped us get some students. What I mean by that is some of the students that have come in here have seen opportunities within PTI itself and want to become part of it once they graduate from high school. We've had a few kids come back and try to apply for jobs and actually have applied for jobs, and some we've hired, some through our academy and some through actually from Manufacturing Day indirectly because they've actually seen our shop, they've been in our shop, they know what PTI is, they've seen what we do inside, and they want to be part of it.
It really just kind of brought to my attention that this is what I need to be doing. And they showed me step by step the whole process of tool building and tool making, and I was just immediately drawn to it. I just kind of knew that this is kind of be for me.
I think most companies right now in Michigan in general see an aging workforce. And because of that, many companies right now are looking for young, energetic, skilled talent that have an interest in manufacturing.
You know, what's interesting is at first, because I took mechatronics at CSI, it was a mix between mechanical and electrical engineering, so I really wasn't sure what I wanted to do until Manufacturing Day. When I first showed up, it gave me a huge background of the field in general, of engineering, and looked into PLC programming, robotics, FANUC robotics, to be precise, and it was always really interesting to me, and that's kind of the pathway I took. Yeah, Manufacturing Day gave me a very broad spectrum.
I got to go on the floor and see robots move with the tool and these huge robots, and to think about like programming the line to go through and the tool or the part to like flow through the cells. It seems so cool to actually be able to be a part of it.
It's a very high-tech work environment, high-tech machines. A lot of really smart people working in this environment. So Manufacturing Day allows young people to actually see what is actually going on in the field, both in terms of the product being delivered to the end customer and to the job being performed to produce the product.
It actually surprised me. I didn't expect that's what it was going to be like. Everything was in so much detail. There were so many different companies out there just trying to kind of convince people that, hey, go into this field, this is what you want to do, and you know, I enjoyed it. I loved every minute of it.
My first year of high school, I went to Futuramic, where they make aerospace parts, and they have a lot of high technologies over there. I really liked it, and there where I get the idea from what I want to do in my future. So I kind of started from there.
Now, again, there's this about a 20-year gap right now as far as finding skilled people in this industry. So right now we're looking for young talent to come into this industry and grow with us in this industry. And they're high-paying jobs. I mean, these students will start off at maybe a $12 an hour rate, but they'll move up the ladder very quickly. So within 4 or 5 years, they could be making $70,000, $80,000 a year with overtime. So it's a great opportunity for these young people. We're seeing great results of finding these talented young people in the school system, and they're looking for opportunity too. They see this as an opportunity for them not just to get a job, but to further education. We pay for their education. We send them to Macomb into colleges. So again, if they want to be an engineer, we'll help fund that.
I think the next 5 years I'm definitely going to be working full time. That's what I've been doing the past 2 years. And then just last year, PTI started paying for my schooling. So they're paying for all the classes related directly to like mold making, and they're gonna pay for me all the way to get my mold maker certificate, which right now that's what I want to go for. But even then, who's to say that I don't want to go get a degree in manufacturing and go up from there?